Hey guys, it's Velvet here from Freedom Rolling. Just want to stop in and say hello and happy Sunday. We are currently outside in our backyard. Will's grilling me some chicken because I don't like lamb and I'm cooking him lamb. I know, weird. But I wanted to stop in and see if you guys had any idea where our first adventure is going to be. Anybody who's going to be at the live on Tuesday will know exactly where we're headed. We're keeping it top secret until then. But we just, we want to see if anybody has any ideas. I will give you guys one hint. It is in the Northeast. Whether that be in Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, New York. You guys won't know unless you guys tune in to the Facebook Live at 7 p.m. on Tuesday. Will, you have anything to say today?
Just follow your internal compass.